Notes can be added to a story in the active run order for reference by the prompt operator. This is a useful tool to enable an operator to set comments or reminders for themselves at an individual story level. These notes are only visible in the GUI and will not be shown in the preview or the output. The Notes feature is not available for newsroom run orders. To display the Notes column, in the active run order pane, click the burger, then Columns, then Notes. To add a note, click in the Notes column of the story you would like to add the note to. In this example, we will click on Story 1. A box will appear where you can begin typing. Enter the text you want, then press Enter or Tab to add this note to the story. Long notes may not be fully visible. To set the column width to match that of the longest note, double-click the header. If you want to set a manual width, drag the next column. To edit or delete a note, click on the text in the Notes field. You can copy and paste notes or, as in this example, cut and paste notes. All notes will be saved when the run order is saved.